Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I am going to be tidying out our under the sink cupboard. This is where I store our cleaning products and also a mini recycling bin that we use in here, and then we just take this bin outside and put it in the main bin. This is kind of organised, but it has got a bit of a mess, so I thought I would do a mini clean with me on this and then share with you guys after what are my cleaning essentials and things I like to keep in this cupboard, and also give you a bit of organisation inspiration. So let's get started. Okay, now that I've got everything out, I'm just gonna wipe it all down and then we can start with the organising. I've just got this kneeling pad that I use when I'm cleaning the floor. This is inspired by Mrs. Hinch. I thought, what a great idea. It's actually for in the garden, but I picked this up at our local hardware store. It was only £1 and I have seen them absolutely everywhere at the moment, especially because all the summer gardening stuff is still out. So I'm sure you would be able to get your hands on one, but they're just so useful, especially when you're kneeling on stone floors. So to clean the inside of the cupboards, I'm using the Method Daily Kitchen Spray and also a Scrub Daddy sponge. Then after I had wiped down everything, I just went over it all with some white vinegar and this blue Spontex cloth. After I had finished wiping down the surfaces, it was time to sort and organise everything out. This first storage solution is something I picked up in the bathroom section in Wilko. It fits perfectly into this small space in between the pipes, but I'll show you what I store in it later on in the video. Next, I have this freestanding shelf, which is from IKEA. Then I keep this large container I use for soapy water when I want to wipe things down behind the shelf. On the IKEA shelf, I store my cleaning essentials. These are the things I buy time and time again, including the Star Drops white vinegar, which has so many great uses. Then there's my Ecover toilet cleaner, as well as the Ecover bathroom cleaner, the Method All Floor Cleaner in lemon and ginger, and then the Method Multi-Surface Spray. This is in wild watermelon, but I also like the rose gold one in pink pomelo. Then as well as that, I use the Method Daily Kitchen Spray too. In front of the shelf is our small recycling bin that I picked up from Lidl. Then you may have seen this copper basket before. I used to keep my cleaning essentials in it. This is from HomeSense, as well as this smaller copper basket. Right, back to the plastic drawers. In here I'm keeping wipes in the top one. I know they're not the best and I don't use them all the time, but I do like to keep some floor ones to hand, and also these Ecover ones, which are biodegradable. In the second drawer down, I store sponges for washing up, although when we've used these up, I am looking at purchasing the bamboo scrubbing brushes. I also have extra fluffy dusters for the Pledge duster, as well as lots of cotton gloves. In the bottom drawer, I have some magic erasers that I cut up into small pieces, a backup of sticky hooks and clips that I use to hang my cloths on, and then some extra washing tops from my fabric gel that I use as well. In front of the drawers, I store my fabric gel and softener in this basket from Poundland. In the large copper basket, I have this Curver round container which houses my scrubbing brush, tweezers, a squidgy Dishmatic sponge and toothbrushes that I use all for cleaning. The other copper basket I store Sephora essential oils, this Flash multi-surface liquid which I use occasionally, as well as bicarb of soda which I do use a lot, and also this Astonish oven and cookware cleaner which is great for cleaning the inside of the oven. And then I keep this spray bottle of water which I picked up from Home Bargains just to spritz my plants with. Another cleaning staple I always have to hand is soda crystals and the Method washing up liquid. Then I just have two things I'm just trying to use up, as I have other things I prefer, and that is the Flash Pet surface cleaner and elbow grease. Last but not least, in the inside of the cupboard doors, I use the sticky hooks and stationery clips to hang all my cloths on. I'll list all my favourite cloths that I use currently in the description box down below. Okay guys, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!